Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Martin Personal Assistant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Martin is an AI-powered personal assistant app designed to help users organize their schedules, tasks, and goals efficiently. It combines smart automation with productivity tools to manage reminders, meetings, and daily routines seamlessly. The app learns from your habits and preferences to provide personalized suggestions, helping you stay productive throughout the day. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering synchronization with your calendar, emails, and notes for an integrated experience. The app's main feature is its smart task management system, which automatically categorizes your to-dos, tracks deadlines, and sends timely reminders. Martin also supports voice commands, allowing users to create tasks and set reminders hands-free. Its AI-powered insights can even analyze your productivity trends and recommend ways to improve time management. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Martin for its intuitive interface, intelligent reminders, and ability to simplify complex schedules. It helps professionals, students, and busy individuals stay on top of their work-life balance without feeling overwhelmed. The daily briefing feature, which summarizes your meetings, weather, and priorities, adds an extra layer of convenience. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional syncing delays between multiple calendars, and certain advanced features such as deep customization and integration with premium productivity tools require a subscription. The app also relies heavily on internet connectivity for AI optimization. In summary, the Martin app may be worth using if you're looking for an AI-driven personal assistant that helps you manage time effectively, automate tasks, and stay organized every day. However, if you prefer manual control over your schedule or don't want to pay for advanced features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.